Hello, Great Western Spot here guys, and today guys, I am back at my station, filming trains once again. Guys, happy Monday to you all guys, if you're train spotting, happy Monday to you all, happy Monday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous day. And to all my friends at college, happy Monday to you all, hopefully you're all doing amazing, hopefully you're doing good yourselves. And yeah, I don't know if we got a train coming this way guys, but I think we have in like 7 minutes. You can't really see it guys. You guys, we are just gonna wait for a train to come by. And guys, I just want to say another big thank you for getting to 46 subscribers. Guys, I'm almost at 50 subscribers. That's insane, guys. But yeah, guys, let's just get on with this train spotting, shall we? Let's just get on with this. But yeah guys, we're just gonna wait for a train to come. We're just gonna wait guys. We're just gonna wait guys for another train to come by. We're just going to wait. We're just gonna wait. Because maybe we'll just see a train out to cut ahead. Guys, we're just gonna wait for a train to come by, I guess. But this might take a while. I don't know which way to film guys, I don't even know which way. Maybe this way or this way. I don't really know which way I'm gonna film. Maybe this way today guys, because why not? And it's a Monday guys, why not? As you can see, this is my beautiful station. What we are now doing is we are waiting for a train line, I guess. We're just gonna wait. But yeah guys. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes guys. So that is a that's a 1588832 London Waterloo. He's gone a long way guys. He's gone a really long way guys. Well, let me see if I can hold my phone still. Sorry, I just thought I'd keep watching. Sorry about that, guys. Doesn't matter what I admit, I'm sorry about this. Here it is, guys. There you go, guys. That was the southwestern Rise to London Waterloo from Salisbury. And now, what we're going to do now
Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
there you go, guys. That was the announcement. So now I'm just going to walk down here, guys. What we'll do, guys, is so what we'll do is we'll come down here, guys. We will sit here. Here we go, guys. And right next to the board. So yeah, guys, this is where I'm sitting now. Just sitting there.
Train now approaching platform 2 doesn't stop here. Please stand back from the edge of the platform.
Here we go. That was the fast train runway from 2. There we go. Yeah.
Customer announcement. On Saturday the 31st of January and Sunday the 1st of February, some lines between London Waterloo and Clapham Junction will be closed due to engineering work. Amended timetables will operate on both days. Please plan ahead by visiting southwesternrailway.com. Thank you.
That was another announcement, guys. Just to let you all know about that. Yeah. So this is just some announcement and trains at my station. Just some announcements. Okay. Yeah. 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 I'm just waiting for the next train to come on, I guess. I just don't know wait for the next train to come, guys. I just gotta wait. Okay guys, make sure you like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out and goodbye.